Have you ever wondered what secrets Mars, our neighboring red planet, holds? This tantalizing sphere of iron oxide, better known as rust, is the second smallest planet in our solar system. Its distinctive reddish hue, a result of this iron oxide, has made it a celestial favorite, a fiery gem in the night sky. From the moment ancient astronomers first laid their eyes on Mars, it has been an object of fascination. Its nightly dance across the sky was observed and recorded by civilizations from the Egyptians to the Mayans. These early sightings of Mars, visible to the naked eye, were the humble beginnings of our relationship with the red planet. In a multitude of cultures, Mars held a significant place in mythology and astrological systems. The Romans, for instance, named it after their god of war due to its blood-red color. For the ancient Chinese astronomers, it was known as the fire star, a symbol of prophecy and fate. These cultural interpretations of Mars were reflective of the human tendency to seek meaning in the cosmos. As the centuries passed, our understanding of Mars evolved. The invention of the telescope in the 17th century was a turning point. Through these lenses, Mars transformed from a mysterious red dot into a world of its own. Astronomers could now see its polar ice caps and dark features on its surface, sparking theories of Martian life. With the dawn of the space age in the mid-20th century, our dreams of reaching Mars became a tangible reality. The enigmatic red planet was no longer just a distant celestial body, but a destination to explore and study. From the naked eye observations of our ancestors to the advanced telescopes of today, Mars has always intrigued us. But it's only recently that we've started to uncover its secrets. The exploration of Mars truly began in the 20th century, with the advent of space travel. What was once a distant reddish point in our night sky became a new frontier for human curiosity and ingenuity. The first successful mission to Mars was by NASA's Mariner 4 in 1965. This spacecraft, about the size of a small car, flew by Mars and captured the first close-up images of the Martian surface. Think about that for a second. These were the first detailed glimpses we humans got of a world millions of miles away from our home planet. These black and white images, while grainy and lacking in detail by our modern standards, were revolutionary at the time. They unveiled a world filled with impact craters and a thin atmosphere, and they sparked even more interest in exploring the red planet. But the story doesn't end there. The mid-70s brought the Viking 1 and 2 missions. These were not just flybys, they were landers, designed to touch the Martian soil and send back detailed pictures and data. In 1976, Viking 1 made the first successful landing on Mars, followed shortly by Viking 2. These missions gave us our first real look at Mars, its reddish soil, its rocky landscape, and its thin, cold atmosphere. The Viking missions also carried out the first experiments searching for signs of life on Mars. While the results were inconclusive, they added yet another layer of intrigue to the Martian mystery. What we learned from these early missions was invaluable. They marked the beginning of our interplanetary exploration, a testament to human ambition and intellect. They showed us a world both familiar and alien, a place of rocks and dust, of craters and valleys, of carbon dioxide snow, and the thinnest wisp of an atmosphere. These early missions paved the way for more sophisticated exploration, leading to some surprising discoveries. But that, my friends, is a story for another time. As our technology improved, so did our understanding of Mars. Our interplanetary pursuits have led us to the discovery of intriguing substances and features on the red planet that continue to stoke the fires of our curiosity. Take, for instance, the discovery of ice on Mars. Back in 2002, the Mars Odyssey orbiter, an unmanned spacecraft circling the planet, detected vast amounts of hydrogen just beneath the surface of Mars. This was a strong indication of the presence of water ice, a theory that was later confirmed. Imagine that ice, a substance so common to us on Earth, found on a planet millions of miles away. The detection of ice on Mars was a game changer. It was the first solid evidence that water, a key ingredient for life as we know it, was present on Mars. This revelation opened up a whole new realm of possibilities, including the tantalizing prospect that Mars could have once supported life. But the mysteries of Mars don't stop with water. In 2004, the Mars Express orbiter made another groundbreaking discovery. It detected methane in the Martian atmosphere. Now, here on Earth, methane is produced by both geological and biological processes. So, the presence of methane on Mars raises some intriguing questions. Could it be a sign of geological activity? Or perhaps could it be a sign of past or present life? The answers to these questions remain elusive, but the ongoing search for signs of life on Mars continues to captivate us. We've come a long way in our understanding of this enigmatic planet, and with every new discovery, we're inching closer to unraveling the secrets of Mars. These discoveries have fueled the theory that Mars could have once supported life. Our understanding of Mars is expanding, and with it, our vision of what might be possible in the vast expanse of the cosmos. Today, multiple nations have their sights set on Mars. Indeed, the Red Planet is not just a fascination for one or two countries, but a global interest. In the recent past, we've seen significant contributions from nations like the United States, China, and the United Arab Emirates. The United States, through NASA, has been a seasoned explorer of Mars. The successful landing of the Perseverance rover in 2021 marked another milestone in their Martian journey. This car-sized rover, armed with a suite of scientific instruments, is currently on a mission to search for signs of ancient microbial life. If successful, this could finally answer the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? On the other side of the world, China has also made significant strides in Martian exploration. Their Tianwen-1 mission, launched in 2020, included an orbiter, lander, and rover. This ambitious mission aims to understand the Martian soil and climate, paving the way for future manned missions. Not far behind, the United Arab Emirates launched its first interplanetary mission, the Hope probe, in 2020. This mission is unique as it aims to provide a complete picture of the Martian atmosphere and its layers when the planet is experiencing all four seasons. These modern explorations are not just about competition, but about collaboration and shared learning. Each mission brings us one step closer to understanding our enigmatic neighbor and potentially preparing for human habitation. But what does the future hold? Well, plans are already underway for future missions. NASA's Mars Sample Return mission aims to bring back samples from Mars to Earth. Meanwhile, SpaceX's Starship, under the vision of Elon Musk, has the audacious goal of transporting humans to Mars within this decade. As we look to the future, the exploration of Mars continues to be a beacon of human curiosity and ingenuity. As we decode the mysteries of the Red Planet, we are not just learning about Mars, but also about ourselves and our place in the universe. From a distant red dot in the sky to a potential destination for human colonization, Mars has come a long way in our understanding. This journey began with its discovery as early astronomers spotted an intriguing red sphere in our night skies. As our technology advanced, so did our curiosity, leading to the first missions that set a course straight for the Red Planet. These early exploratory sojourns paved the way for modern missions, each one delving deeper into the Martian mysteries, from its vast dusty plains to its towering volcanoes. The quest for life, once thought to be a fruitless endeavor, has now become a tantalizing possibility with the discovery of water and organic molecules. But we aren't stopping there. Plans for future exploration and even human settlement are being charted as we speak. As we continue to explore Mars, who knows what secrets we'll uncover next? Until then, keep looking up and wondering about the mysteries of our universe.